All right, so what's the goal here? What's your name? What's the goal?
Let's go. We're gonna get this guy, get this 25 grand. Then once I get this 25 grand, who the fuck knows?
So you got what is this?
KTM 250. I'm gonna find him, ghost ride the bike right onto him, lay the bike on top of him, and just start teabagging him.
So
That's
what brought you out here? Like you just saw this on the news?
I want the 25 grand.
You want
it's basically like a free 25 grand in the woods. Like,
so you're gonna drive. What happens? What are you gonna do if you see him?
fucking, I don't know.
Run him over.
Run him over and just pound his face in until the cops get there, I guess. I don't know. Unless I'm too scared.
Well, we definitely do not promote violence, but I get what you're saying, for sure. How fast does this thing go?
Probably like
80?
80 probably.
80.
But not through the woods, you know?
So where are you gonna take it?
I don't know, right down the power lines.
So you think he's out there?
I don't know.
We're gonna
Let's
find
hope so,
out.
We're
right?
gonna find out. It'll be very, very interesting. Well, please be safe. You know, the authorities are not encouraging people to go in and look. What do you say
Yeah.
to that?
I don't know.
Hey, what that dude said was pretty encouraging to do with the dog.
Oh, what did you guys? You guys saw somebody with a dog?
Yeah, what were they, SWAT? He asked them if they could ride. They say go for it.
Oh, they said go for it.
Yeah.
SWAT people said go for it. Maybe they see two young men and they're like, we'll just they want to get paid. They want to get that 25,000 reward. So you have to load the bike off this.
Yeah.
Interesting. Where'd you guys come from?
Downingtown.
Downingtown.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's about 15, 20 minutes away,
Yo,
right?
What's your YouTube channel?
JLR Investigates.
Alright.
So you guys aren't the only ones I've seen try to take matters in their own hands.
Really?
You know, I've seen people with guns on bikes,
Oh yeah, the moped dude.
moped. I've seen ATVs.
Up there.
How many people are watching right now?
Well, nobody's watching now. It's a video. I will post it on my channel. You can check out. Please be safe. You know.
Yeah. Safe's my middle name.
Safe is your middle name.
Yeah, here, Ryan, get that. I'll toss it to you.
Come to the left there.
Here, can you hold the pump brake right there? Just hold it. I got it. It's all good.
Do you have any anything to protect yourself?
Yeah, I got a helmet, of course.
No, I'm talking about protect yourself from him.
No, I just hope he doesn't try and kill me. Woo! Let's go, baby. He's not feeling it.
So what is there, like trails?
I guess, yeah.
Would you like look on a map or something?
Yeah.
Where the trails start at?
Oh, right at the power lines up there.
Power lines?
There's a state trooper, so I hope we have to As long as the state trooper lets me pass, I don't want him like waiting at the bottom to take my bike. If he tries to stop me, I'm not gonna like fly by him.
Yeah.
You know? 'Cause I have to come out that way and they'll just take my bike. No. Baby, you going up there? Alright, yo, hop in. I'll follow you.
All right, I'm gonna come on in. Come in on the back, young man. You can come in the back. All right. So you're from Downingtown?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with your friend. What's his name?
His name's Ethan Colbert.
Ethan Colbert. Hold on, Ethan. Hold on. How long's he been riding bikes for?
Me and him have been riding for since we were real young, probably about 8 years old.
How old are you guys?
18.
18. Ethan. He's been riding bikes since 18. And you think he's gonna find them?
I hope so.
He's going a little fast. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Okay. Got your seatbelt on, everybody?
Yep.
Got it? He's zooming in. Right in with the state trooper there, huh?
Yo, those army guys said it was cool if I go down here. As long as you don't care, right?
I don't know if he wants to rock.
Alright, thank you.
There he goes. Let me just see if I can. Oh man. Oh, I'll pull over. Let me see if I can catch him. Let me see if I can catch him. Where'd he go? Where?
Oh, I can see.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah.
I can see him. There he goes, way up there, look. You got something under your car, boss.
You're dragging something. Do you want me to grab what's dragging? I'll pull up over there and get that. Alright. I think it's a stick or something.
He said if he finds the guy, he's gonna run him over and get that 25K.
A lot of people want that reward, man.
So have you seen a lot come out? Like just
A lot of people riding on ATVs and stuff.
Yeah.
Just, a lot of people out in tree stands. People walking around, with their own rifle slung over their shoulder.
seen it too.
Archery season starts soon?
Something starts this weekend.
I think that's archery season.
I'm not in the hunting myself.
Some media at the press conference today asked Bivens, said, "What about the people with the guns running around? You know, is that legal? Are you going to make any arrests?" He goes, "We didn't make any arrests."
As long as we're following the law, nothing we can do.
Yep, perfectly legal.
I'll get out of your way.
Thank you. Thank you for your service.
Take care.
Stay safe out there. Thank you.
What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts on the trooper?
I think he was pretty cool.
Pretty cool, right?
Most of the guys out here are pretty cool.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Putting in a lot of hours, so
Are you gonna venture off into there?
I have no clue where he is now. He could have him for all we know.
Interesting. Well, hope he comes back out. Hope, right? Let's hope that
Yeah.
he finds him
Yeah, comes
And
out
get-
with him,
get
dragging
the-
him behind.
and gets Danelo off the streets. All right, I'm JLR Investigates. People are out here trying to go out there and trying to find Danelo Cavalcante. We will talk soon. Stay tuned.